What is the beginning sound of the picture? G. G is for guitar. What is the beginning sound of the picture? F is for forks. What is the beginning sound of the picture? A. EY makes the sound for 8. What is the beginning sound of the picture? H is for horn. What is the beginning sound of the picture? G. G is for grill. What is the beginning sound of the picture? E. E is for 11. What is the beginning sound of the picture? G. G is for gum. What is the beginning sound of the picture? H is for hit. This video was brought to you by TechLabShop.com, where you can find more resources for children, like games, videos, vocabulary activities, math and reading resources. Try our interactive wall where you could click on one of our videos to watch. You can even subscribe to our channel by clicking the blue subscribe button. If you have subscribed already, we want to say thanks. Don't forget to share our educational YouTube channel with others. You can also follow us on Twitter and tweet us or retweet your favorite videos to others using hashtag #CompLabTeacher.